Tarteel was 6 years old with bright eyes and a big smile. She wore a colorful shirt and black pants. Her little sister Aya was 3 years old with curly hair and rosy cheeks. Aya wore a pretty shirt and pink pants. Tarteel loved to read. Every night, she read colorful books before bed. Aya wanted to be just like Tarteel. One sunny morning, Mama gave Tarteel a special gift. It was a big book with a rainbow on the cover. "This book teaches colors," said Mama with a smile. Tarteel opened the book. The first page was red. It showed red apples, red roses, and a red balloon. "Red!" said Tarteel proudly. Little Aya pointed at the page. "Wednesday!" she tried to say. Tarteel hugged her sister. "That's right, Aya. Red!" They turned the page together. The next page was blue. It had blue butterflies, a blue ocean, and the blue sky. "Blue is my favorite color," said Tarteel. "Boo!" giggled Aya. The sisters looked at every page. They found yellow like the sun, green like grass, and orange like a juicy fruit. Then came purple flowers and pink cotton candy. Aya clapped her hands with joy. Reading was so much fun. Tarteel had an idea. "Let's show Mama what we learned." The two sisters ran to the kitchen. Mama was making lunch. "Mama! Mama! Look!" said Tarteel. She pointed to the red tomatoes. "Red!" Aya pointed to the green lettuce. "Green!" Mama's eyes sparkled with happiness. "You both learned so much. I'm so proud of you." Tarteel pointed to Mama's yellow dress. Aya pointed to the blue plates. They named every color they could find. That night, Papa came home from work. He looked very tired. "Papa, sit down," said Tarteel gently. "Well, read to you tonight." Papa sat in his favorite chair. Tarteel and Aya brought the rainbow book. Tarteel read each color clearly. Aya helped turn the pages carefully. Papa listened with a big smile on his face. When they finished, he kissed both their foreheads. "Thank you, my sweet girls," said Papa. "You made my day so much brighter." Mama came and hugged them all. "You showed such respect and love to Papa. That makes me happy." Tarteel felt warm inside. Reading wasn't just about learning colors. It was about sharing love with family. From that day on, Tarteel and Aya read together every day. Sometimes they taught each other. Sometimes they read to Mama and Papa. The rainbow book became their favorite. And little Aya? She learned that being kind and respectful was just as colorful as any rainbow.